ॐ दुर्गायै नमः।
Om Sri Matre Namaha. Creation is beautiful. An unseen, undefined energy rules this beautiful creation. Creation exists only because of this soul energy. This mighty energy exists in 9 forms. We worship these 9 forms on 9 days of Navaratri. प्रथमं शैलपुत्री च द्वितीयं ब्रह्मचारिणी तृतीयं चन्द्रघण्टेति कूष्माण्डेति चतुर्थकं पञ्चमं स्कन्दमातेति षष्ठं कात्यायनीति च सप्तमं कालरात्री च महागौरीति च अष्टमं नवमं सिद्धिदा प्रोक्ता नवदुर्गाः प्रकीर्तिताः इति नवदुर्गास्तोत्रं सम्पूर्णम्. शैलपुत्री रूपमु वन्दे वाञ्छितलाभाय चन्द्रार्धकृतशेखरां वृषारूढां शूलधरां शैलपुत्री यशस्विनीं. Shailaputri, first form of Shakti, Mother Goddess, is depicted having a half moon on her forehead, 2 hands carrying Trishul in the right hand and a lotus flower in the left hand. She is seen mounting Nandi, a bull. Color of the day is red. Shaila means mountain. Putri means daughter. Means daughter of mountain. Mountain or Shaila shows the peak. This form of energy emerges when an emotion reaches its peak stage. ब्रह्मचारिणी रूपमु दधानाकरपद्माभ्याम् अक्षमाला कमण्डलः देवी प्रसीदतु मयि ब्रह्मचारिण्यनुत्तमा. Brahmachariणी. In this form, Mother Goddess can be seen walking bare feet, holding Kamandala and Japamala in her hands. Color is royal blue. Brahma means the one who has neither a beginning nor an end and is omnipresent. The energy that is present in every movement of this creation is worshipped as Brahmacharini Rupam. Chandraghanta Mata पिण्डज प्रवरारूढा चण्डकोपास्त्रकैर्युता प्रसादं तनुते मह्यं चन्द्रघण्टेति विसृता. Chandraghanta Mata. Ma Chandraghanta is depicted having 10 hands with different weapons. She sits on tiger. Yellow is auspicious color. Chandra or moon represents our mind and phases of moon symbolizes our different emotions. Ghanta means bell that gives only one type of sound no matter how we ring the bell. Our mind is a house of emotions, yet if we focus all of them, a clear supreme energy emerges, that is Chandraghanta Shakti. Kushmanda. सुरासम्पूर्णकलशं रुधिराप्लुतमेव च दधाना हस्तपद्माभ्यां कूष्माण्डा शुभदास्तु मे. Kushmanda. Mother Goddess is depicted having 8 arms with weapons. She holds 2 pitchers full of Madira and blood. She rides on tiger. Green is the color of the day. Kushmanda means pumpkin. Pumpkin is round in shape and completely filled with prana shakti, like this creation. Ku means small, Ushma means energy. The energy that is present in each and every tiny particle in this creation is Kushmanda Shakti. Skandamata. सिंहासनगता नित्यं पद्माश्रितकरद्वया शुभदास्तु सदा देवी स्कंदमाता यशस्विनी. Skandamata. Skandamata is worshipped on Panchami. She is depicted having 4 arms and holding a baby. She rides on a fierce lion. Grey color is associated with this day. Skanda or Kartikeya is the son of Mother Goddess and Shiva. Kartikeya represents both Jnana Shakti and Kriya Shakti. Shiva Tattvam is filled with Vairagya Tattvam. Devi Tattvam is the confluence of Ichha Shakti, power of will, Jnana Shakti, power of knowledge, Kriya Shakti, power of righteous action. When Shiva Tattva unites with Devi Tattva, then what emerges is Skanda Tattva. Or we can say that the energy that emerges from an action driven by right knowledge is Skandamata Shakti Rupam. Katyayani. चंद्रहासोज्ज्वलकरा शार्दूलवरवाहना कात्यायनी शुभं दद्या देवी दानवघातिनी. Katyayani Mata. Sixth form of Mother Goddess is Mata Katyayani. She is considered one of the most violent forms of Devi. She is depicted having 4 hands and rides on a lion. Orange is the color of the day. The energy that arises for righteous reasons and is directed towards negativity and injustice is represented by Katyayani Shakti Rupam. Katyayani is the divine force that arises in the subtle layers of creation against negativity and for the purpose of restoring dharma. This is the force which is behind natural calamities and disasters. Kalaratri. Ekaveni japa karnapura nagna kharastita लंबोष्ठी कर्णिकाकर्णी तैलाभ्यक्त शरीरिणी वामपादो लसल्लोहलता कंटकभूषण वर्धनमूर्ध्वजा कृष्णा कालरात्रिर्भयंकरी. Kalaratri. Most fierce form of Ma goddess is Kalaratri. She sheds her white skin and changes her color into black to kill the demons. She sits on donkey and white is the auspicious color. Kala means time. Ratri indicates complete rest for body, mind and soul. Energy that emerges from complete peaceful rest. It gives us jnana, knowledge, and vairagya, dispassion. Mahagauri. Svete vrushe samarudha svetambaradhara suchihi Mahagauri subham dhadyan mahadeva pramodada. Mahagauri Rupam. Mahagauri Rupam is worshipped on 8th day. She is depicted wearing pure white clothes, rides on a white bull, and having Trishul and Dhamaruka in her hands. Pink is the auspicious color. Mahagauri represents the beauty of nature. The energy behind the beautiful nature and creation is Mahagauri Shakti Rupam. Siddhidatri Rupamu. Siddha Gandharva Yakshadyairasurairamarayrapi సేవ్యమానా సదా భూయాత్ సిద్ధిదా సిద్ధిదాయిని. Siddhidatri. Siddhidatri is the ninth form of Ma goddess. She has 4 arms holding Shankha, Chakra, Gada and lotus. She sits on a lotus. Peacock green is the color of the day. If we have a sankalpam, means intention formed by the heart and mind, then definitely we will achieve it. The energy that helps us to achieve our goal is Siddhidatri Rupam. It gives us victory and perfection in all our actions. This energy brings fulfillment and totality in every sphere of life. Worshipping these 9 forms of energy which drives the creation is Devi Navaratri.